Hello guys, welcome to my Android Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix volume increases or decreases automatically on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your volume automatically increases or decreases on your Windows 10 or 11, then I will show a simple method to resolve this issue. First of all, you just need to click on Start menu, then type here Control Panel. Click on Control Panel. You can see here category. Just you need to select as large icon. After that, in this you need to find sound. You can see here sound. Click on this. Here you need to select your output device under playback tab. Suppose this is your speaker output device. Just click on this. Click on properties. Click on enhancement. You need to check mark this option. Disable all enhancement. You just need to check mark this option. After this, you can see here spatial sound, or you can see here advanced. After that, just click on apply, then click OK. After that, you can see here communication. In this, you need to select do nothing. After selecting this, just click on apply and click OK. That's it guys. After doing this, your volume increasing or decreasing problem will be solved. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.